So I'd like to discuss and demonstrate something quickly. The reason why BIM protocols and naming structures, file structures is important, one of the reasons why they are important, is because it offers us the opportunity to create structured data. In other words, data that conforms to a very narrowly defined protocol, and that will also allow us the benefit of some good automation. Obviously for one company it might be applied, but if more than one company work together, they could leverage the same automation to finish projects more timeously. Clearly, either they would have to be able to program in Dynamo and Python, or perhaps in some other language, compile an add-in or a standalone app that can leverage the Revit API to provide them with what they need. In this case, what I'd like to show you is that with the minimal amount of input in an Excel file, as you can see here, there's just some list of views. Now I do apologize, of course this isn't the most professional programming, and I won't be showing you the Python code exactly. There's no real error trapping that is happening or making it bulletproof or robust, but for me it is giving me the result that I require. So really what I'm inputting is what my disciplines are, which are the views that I need, and for which levels these views must be placed on sheets. Minimal amount of information. And what my little program must do is, for an MEP engineer, per level, per discipline, create 4 views which will then be placed on a sheet in order to show a pipe system differently, with different view overrides, ultimately whether it is below the slab, in the slab, above the slab, or overhead. To do this, I am using Dynamo to some degree, specifically to read the information from an Excel file and then to create some levels, some plan view types, and then ultimately within 2 custom Python nodes to leverage the Revit API. I'm going to run this. Now I started out on this path because I wanted to be able to respond quickly to differing incoming BIM execution plans that might indicate that the views and the sheets must be named according to some or other discipline code, which might differ from one within the template. The result is that I have created per discipline for every level a view below, casting, over and overhead. There are 3 disciplines in this instance, and then for these disciplines per level, those 4 views that are superimposed on a sheet. Now what's not available to me through the API yet is the ability to place view titles, so that I might annotate using the view titles. So I hope this is a indication to you that with structured data you would be able to leverage such practices were you to have some programming ability within your office. If you require any assistance in this regard, please contact Micrographics. We do also program applications for companies on demand. Thank you. Until next time.